Here we got a 65 Pontiac GTO with a 428 Pontiac motor, 2 4-valves on it. It's got the Pontiac colors on it and everything. It's all decked out. Aftermarket brake setup. The proportioning valve is up there. That's cool. Turn that. Aftermarket AC with the serpentine system and power steering and aluminum radiator. Drive MSD ignition. And you got your 5-speed aftermarket transmission, probably a Tremec or something, I don't know. Very nice car. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Hey. It's really popping in there, red, man. The sun's right on there. Long haul gang. Moonshiners. You got third light in the back too. Didn't even notice that. It's smart, so you don't get rear-ended. You notice how these are all integrated together? Nice styling touch. You know, the tail lights, you just barely notice them. It's all integrated into the trunk. Trim and all that. All integrated into the bumper. Real styling, you know.